When we're talking to a new client about a website, one of the first things we're going to ask them is, do they want it to generate leads? Might sound like a strange question, but some websites don't need to generate leads. You might be in a very niche market where you know all the buyers, and all you need is some backup information somewhere for them to get spec sheets, find out who you are, read case studies and things. So, you're generating the leads maybe at a trade show or through your contacts or through referrals, and the website just needs to give support and reassurance. You might also have an e-commerce website, so you're not wanting to generate leads, you just want someone to go on, look at the website and buy something. Very simple, very sort of straightforward purchase decision. On the other hand, most of the websites that we build are lead generation websites. So what does that mean? To explain what that means, you want your website to attract people who have never heard of you, they don't know anything about you, they're going to go on the internet and they're going to be looking for somebody to answer a specific question, to solve a problem, and you want them to find your website. Once they're on your website, you want them to get lots of information, you want them to then be helped down that journey towards a decision. So you want lots of information to help them at the different stages of their decision-making process. So not just top level, this is what we do, but how this solves your problem, answering lots of questions, case studies, testimonials, anything else that you think is going to be useful in terms of helping them to make that decision or helping them to want to get in touch with you and speak to somebody about a sale. So how do you build a lead generation website? Well, it all comes down to getting your strategy right in the first place. So understanding who you're trying to attract, what sort of people they are, and what sort of things they're going to be looking for when they need to find you. At that point, you then need to make sure that you get the content plan right so that you're actually providing the information for all the stages of their buying process so that they keep coming back and finding what they need until they're ready to actually get in touch and speak to you. There is a checklist and more information on the blog post, so read on if you want more detail about that. Once you've got the website built, it's not actually finished, it's actually just the start, because what you've got to do is keep reviewing the data, see what sort of things are resonating with people, you see who's using it, you see how they're using it, and you make sure that everything is updated regularly, that you're adding the sort of content that it seems like people need, and you're improving on things if you find out that it's not doing the job. Keep checking, keep adding to it, keep improving it, reviewing, updating, and that's how you build a lead generation website.